Goddess Saraswati, a revered figure in Hinduism, is the embodiment of knowledge, wisdom, and artistic expression. Depicted as a graceful deity with a veena, musical instrument, in her hands, Saraswati symbolizes the pursuit of learning and the arts. She is venerated during the festival of Vasant Panchami. As the consort of Lord Brahma, the creator, Saraswati plays a pivotal role in the cosmic order. Devotees seek her blessings to excel in education, music, and the arts. Saraswati's serene presence is an inspiration for those on a quest for knowledge, urging individuals to strive for intellectual enlightenment and creative brilliance. In temples and homes, Saraswati is worshipped to invoke wisdom and eloquence, making her an integral part of the Hindu pantheon.